Okay, so we're going to walk through one of the tutorials we have in our documents, in our support tutorial documents, to create a knowledge base operational KPI sheet. So let's go over, I've logged in and I've navigated over to the VividSheets application, but let's go look at this document to see what our requirements are. So if we start looking, we have a requirement to put together some KPIs around our knowledge base so that we can use those for operational reporting. In this case, we have, the first step is to make sure we know our requirements. So let's look at what our requirements are. In this case, we have 14 KPIs that are broken into 3 categories. First category is status of knowledge base articles. Looks like we need to know, how many are published in draft, basically where in the workflow they are, and then how many categories are associated with the knowledge base. Then we have usage information over the last 7 days, so articles that were used, percentage of articles used, how many times an article we used. So there's a little bit of nuance between A and C there, but we'll go through that, I think. And then we have used and viewed. So over the past 7 days, essentially some KPIs around used articles and around viewed articles. And then third set is how have these articles been used for success around, where have they been attached to? So are they attached to incidents, change requests, or problems? Okay, so let's go ahead and look at a couple other things. The first thing is to know what tables we're going to need to get in to get this information from. So we have our knowledge base knowledge table. This is kind of the main table that houses all of our articles and records for our articles. KB use table is the table that shows us information around used and viewed data. And then we also have this M2M KB task table, which is a table that shows us, what task knowledge base article has been used for. So, okay, so let's go build a sheet and we'll try to put these values into that sheet.